The following is a short tutorial on how to insert text, images, videos, and links into the News tool. To create a new news item, there are several ways to do this. To start, you can drop down and just click on New News Item and you'll go right to the HTML editor, or you can go to News Tools, or you can click on the word News and it will hyperlink there. For instance, if I click here, you're going to go into a news page which will allow you to see all of the posts that you've posted before. To create a new post, go over to the New Item blue button and click there. Once inside the blue button, you're going to need to title and give it a headline. Now here is the box which we call the HTML editor, in which we can add text, pictures, videos, and links. We will start with adding text. You will see that this is very similar to adding text in a word processing program such as Word or OpenOffice. They have many of the same features. For instance, if you highlight the word and you'd like to change the color, you may. You may also change the size. You may also change the font. And you have other features in here. If you'd like to center the text, that's where to find it. You could add bullets in if you wanted to make a list. You could bold it, underline, italics, and so forth. So from here over, it's very similar to using Word. Now, where it gets a little bit different is when you use these tools right here. This tool right here, the first tool, is Insert Stuff, and it's a powerful tool for inserting images and videos and links into your presentation. So to start, I'm going to click there. Now, as you can see down the left-hand side, there are a variety of different places where you can insert stuff from. The first being My Computer. This will access the files of the computer that you are currently on. For instance, if you're at school on a network computer, it will access your M drive, or if you're at home on a personal computer, it will access your C drive, or in this case, the Finder. Once I click on here, I'll be able to access a variety of different files from a computer. You can access images, movies, audio files, PDFs, Word documents, or a variety of other different file types. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to import an image to insert stuff. There's a reason why, because it allows you to resize that image while pulling it in. So for instance, if I select this image and open it, you'll see that besides choose file, as there's the name of the image, I'm going to scroll down and then click the blue button, upload. Now it will upload the file into D2L. From here, the red asterisks are telling me that I need to complete these two fields. So for instance, if I said math board, this is what the student will see when they scroll over top. And for the second field, you may write something, or you could just click this as decorative. Now, if you want to resize the image, and this is the better part about bringing the image in through insert stuff and not through insert image, is because you're allowed this quick resize. So if I wanted this to fill the entire window inside of the news, I would just put 600. If I wanted to make it smaller and make it half the size of the window, I would just put 300. So it's a really quick and easy way to resize an image to get it to the exact size you want. Then once you have it the size you want, you're just going to insert it. Now that this image is in here, remember that I could go down here and then I can also center it. Now if I want to continue to add more into this window, I can just hit return. And now what I'm going to show you is how to insert a video from YouTube. So if I go to insert stuff, and you'll see there's the YouTube link. Let's just say I want to go to Khan Academy and bring in a video to support my students in finding out the area of a cylinder. I search it within there, and now I'm able to look here and say there's the video I would like, and I just click here. I scroll down to the bottom, then click on next. Once I click on next, it will give me an opportunity to preview this. If I'm happy with this video, then I can just click insert. And you'll see that there's the video inside of the window. The final thing I'd like to show you how to insert is how to insert a link. For instance, if I'd like to insert a link to this article, I could go in here, right click on here, I could copy this URL, I would go back to my D2L page, and under insert stuff, another option is insert link. Now the insert link will ask me to put my URL in there, so I can right click and paste it. I can scroll down. I can label this article from what I want them to see, Android and iPhone article. And then if I refresh that, that's what the student's going to see, and then I can just insert that in. And you'll see now that there's a quick link right here. If I wanted to, I could highlight the quick link, go up, and make that quick link a little larger. If to help the students see it. And once I'm done, you'll see that there's a quick link that will link them directly to that article. Remember that you can add a start date and an end date, and once you're happy with this post, you can just publish it. Once you publish it, if you go back to your home page, you're going to see that you've created a news posting in which you have a title with text, an image put in there, and also a video that they can view directly from the course homepage. And if they click here, this will open up in a new link for them. That is a quick tutorial on how to create a news post using insert stuff in the D2L environment.